come from all over the world to immerse themselves in our culture, especially the street dances.
Lots of events on a Wednesday night, but only one leg of the street.
Ladies, me have money for it, don't worry about it. Watch it, girl, I'm on the dog. They're not checking out one now.
Just don't boof them, no, we are buff them. So that a cause problem.
You know what I think, man, the whole Get There squad, one unity, though. With our leg on the street. Sanjay, you know the girls, them. No, you hear me no, Sanjay. We are buff them, yeah?
Watch a step, yeah, watch a step, yeah. Every scam has a step.
And the man is bad.
Breezy, you know you love. One intense, Sanjay, hotel, leg on the street. Energy kid, one general.
Expensive, get near them, get expensive. Abu, every scam has a move.
Yeah, Jello, how that go on so tonight? How go on?
We have an active. After we play at a pure ground. Man, I know I come like on the run nuts and lick one chip in my brain.
Cosmic Elite in the building. What go on, brother?
Loud and clear, we're there all a vibe in the leg of the street.
Roll, nice roll. Fully.
The selector say what for talk to you, know what go on?
Look up, man. Leg on the street, man. At this, at the party.
Dance are blinging out the building, leg of the streets, how the vibes stay tonight.
Then I see it, it's intense, it's blinging.
When we talk, when the response move on.
Leg of the streets, boss, what go on?
Outside, them a boss.
Just tell them why them up there for the Wednesday night, though.
The vibes and the energy and the love. And that we are dealing with. Be a niceness. Aye?
DJ Skeng, what go on?
I go on Sanjay, I'm there, my bar.
How the vibes stay?
Yeah, man, the vibes right, man, always. Stay on our entertainment.
Leg of the streets, all there.
Right, sure.
Where you guys from?
I'm from Colombia. I'm from Colombia too.
How you enjoying Jamaica?
It's a grateful time. The best thing in my life.
Manchester in the building, leg of the streets, tell them about the vibe.
Yeah, man, the vibes up, man, the vibes is right, you know? It's a place to be on a Wednesday.
Leg on the street, you know, I don't know a thing going on intense.
Wow, where are you guys from?
Spain.
How you enjoying the vibes at leg of the streets?
We enjoy it a lot. We love it. Yeah. The best parties for me, yeah.
Why is it one of the best parties for you? What do you enjoy the most about it?
For me, it's different types of music, like middle school, new school, and for me, this I learn a lot when I see this.
And what's one of the things you enjoy the most?
I think the street vibes, like the party, people dancing, everything.
Slash leg of the streets, how the vibes there?
Cool, man, you don't know intense. It's a party will make sense, you see it?
What the most intense thing about leg of the streets for you?
Yeah, but the vibes are always steady. It's where we say, full of vibes. Every Wednesday, road a cake cut.
It's the place where the streets congregate on a Wednesday night. Leg of the streets.
From a street